Alright, we're going to go for a spin here. A little YouTube playing. Beautiful day. Nice stereo. 65 Mustang hardtop coupe. A nice one. Just a regular C-code V8 Mustang. And it's got a couple GT upgrades to it, which is the dash panel here. When you see this little split there, that means it's a GT dash. It's got the trombone exhaust coming out the back of the kick panel in the back. Has the fog lights. Good looking car. It's like a Shelby blue color, white stripes. 15-inch American racing wheels on there with some brand new BF Goodrich TA radials. This one's got updated front power disc brakes. It's got power steering. We did some power steering work to it. It's got a new pump and a new ram and some of that stuff needed to be done, so we did it. Neat car though. Good running 289. It's got an Edelbrock intake on there. Headers. Also has a Holley carburetor, 4-barrel carburetor. Got the 3-spoke wood steering wheel, original one here. It's a little beat up. It's got a couple little pieces missing out of it, but still looks good. Got pony interior. It's kind of a rare option, like a deluxe interior. Still got the original C4 automatic transmission. 8-inch rear differential. If it's per the door tag, it's still got the 280 ratio in the back. Kind of feels like it. Feels like it'll cruise along on the freeway real good. Good looking car though. We're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. Give you a little bit more information. All right, we're gonna do our little walk around here in our 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. These are iconic little cars. The Mustangs are probably the best Ford product everybody likes when it comes to muscle cars. This one's got a 289 in it. It was originally a C-code car, which meant 2-barrel, single exhaust, but now it's got a 4-barrel on it. Been updated to, like, I guess an A-code you'd call it. 4-barrel, dual exhaust. Also has some GT upgrades, which is the dual exhaust coming out the valance. It's got the dashboard for the GT. It's got the front head fog lights for the GT. Those beautiful American racing wheels. Brand new BF Goodrich TA radials. I like to put those on a lot of the muscle cars. They look good. You can flip them around, make them black wall if you don't like the white walls. Original black California license plates. Good solid car underneath, rust free. The body's real nice on it. Custom color. It's like a I call it Shelby blue. I don't know what the name of it is, but it's a nice color. Got the white stripes on it. Also has the deluxe interior, and it's correct for the code on it. Had pony, so pony interior. I'm sure you Mustang people already know, but got little ponies on the seat upholstery. But seat upholstery is very nice. It's probably pretty new. This car sat for a little while, so we got it out of storage and did a few things to it. Got it up and running real good. Replaced some power steering components, things like that. Very nice though. It's got a nice stereo too. It's got a sub box in the trunk. It was a younger guy that had it, and if you want to take that out, you can. But it sounds good. Takes up a little bit of your trunk space though. The original steering wheel there. Deluxe door panels. Headliner's in great shape. Got these really cool Mustang seat belts. All the glass is nice on it. Trim, chrome. Just a great looking car. And not a lot of money to go have a whole lot of fun. Here's the power plant in our little 65 Mustang Coupe. Again, like I said earlier, it's a 289. There's a little VIN number there. Tells you it was a C code. But it's got a 4-barrel on it now. HEI ignition. It's got some nice headers on there. Holley 4-barrel carburetor. Updated power front disc brakes. There's a new power steering pump and ram that we put on underneath. Original radiator. It's a good running little car. I'll fire it up for you. Not too loud. It's got a nice little sound to it. Here's the door tag. It's nice when all that stuff is still there. At least it tells you a little bit of history about the car. But it runs nice and smooth. Looks good under the hood, little Edelbrock dress-up kit. Of course, those GT fog lights. Dual exhaust going all the way out the back. Little trombone tips. Sounds good. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to Simi Valley, California. Take a little vacation while you're here. 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person, or if you want to get it shipped, or you need some financing, or have a trade. Lots of options. All right, thanks for watching.